Hi, welcome to the ABC Passport page. Today I'm going to show you how to use your passport to not only keep track of your experiences, but also earn some amazing prizes. First things first, housekeeping. Make sure that you fill out the ID page. Fill in your name and your school. How to use your passport. Make sure you open up to your first page for some clear instructions. First, attend lessons. That includes the Saturday STEAM and the extension opportunities. Second, collect stickers. Make sure if you're at the extension opportunities to get a sticker from the workshop host. And third, earn points. I'm going to get into that later. How to fill out your passport. Check out page 1. You are going to make sure to include the date, location, and STEAM experience. If you're at the Long Beach Public Library for a 3D coding class, go ahead and write 3D coding in your STEAM experience. Rate your experience. We understand if it's not your jam, that's okay. We just want you to go and find out. So if you didn't like it, give it 1 star. If you enjoyed it tremendously, go ahead, give it those 5 stars. Whatever it is that you feel, go ahead and rate it. It's up to you, and we want your honest feedback. Next, what do you have to express? Go ahead and go back to the beginning of the passport to the reflection questions. Use these as inspiration to fill out the daily logs. There are many ways to answer these questions. Ask a hashtag ABC Makers question, write a poem, draw a picture, or write a jingle. Again, we want you to express yourself. So do what you do and show us how the experience made you feel. Now we're going to get into the stuff that everyone wants to know about, the point system. How to earn points. Easy. Attend a Saturday STEAM workshop, fill out your passport daily log, get your sticker, get 3 points. Extension workshop. Attend, get a sticker from the workshop host, get 5 points. Double point days. We'll let you know about those in advance. Attend a workshop, Saturday or extension opportunity, and get double points that day. And wildcard days. Attend a workshop and earn an additional 1 to 10 points just for showing up and completing your passport. That's a surprise. You gotta come and find out which days those land on. Prizes. I know, you wanna know exactly what you're going to do. What are you going to win? Oh my gosh! It's coming soon, but don't worry, we're getting feedback and suggestions from everyone. Earn your points individually, and then we're going to add up all those points as a class, and guess what? The school with the highest number of points will earn an experience for everyone, your entire ABC group. So make sure you keep hold of your passport so we can add those points up. If you lose your passport, don't worry, you can buy it back with your points. Now remember, we use passports to travel to different countries, but if we lose our passports, guess what? I have to go and purchase a new one. Check back with us to find out exactly how many points it will cost. All right, ABC makers, you're not in this alone. You are competing against several schools within the Long Beach Unified Area. We have Powell and Lindbergh together against Hudson, Nelson, Washington, and 2 Jefferson sites. So please know that you are competing against one another. Go to as many Saturday STEAM opportunities as you can and as many extension workshops as you can. You never know which day is going to be a double points day or a wild card day. Stay tuned.